What has no beginning and no end? Answer C, a circle. When should you stop at green and go at red? Answer A watermelon. What looks back but cannot see? Answer C, reflection. What falls but never breaks? What breaks but never falls? Answer C, night and day. What is something you will never see again? Answer B, yesterday. What can be swallowed but can swallow you? Answer B, your pride. What turns everything around without moving? Answer A mirror. I go around and in the house but never touches the house. What am I? Answer C, the sun.
የምድር አብዛኛው ክፍል ምንድነው? ውሃ። በዓለም የብዙ ሰዎች የአፍ መፍቻ ቋንቋ የሆነው የትኛው ነው? ማንዳሪን። የጫካው ንጉሥ በመባል የሚታወቀው እንስሳ ማን ነው? አንበሳ። መሬትን በዛቢያዋ ላይ የሚያሽከረክራት ምንድን ነው? ግራቪቲ። የሰው አካል ምን ያህሉ ውሃ ነው? 60%።
ከአምስቱ አራት ማግኘት ካልቻልክ ትምህርትን ስድስተኛ ክፍል ላይ ያቋረጥከው ማለት ነው።
አንደኛ፣ የዓለማችን በስፋቷ ትንሿ ሀገር ማን ትባላለች? ሐመሩሃ ቫቲካን ሲቲ። ሙሉ ሀገሪቷን በእግር ለመጎብኘት 3 ሰዓት ነው የሚፈጀው። ሁለተኛ፣ የሳውዲ አረቢያ ዋና ከተማ ማን ትባላለች? ለሪያድ። ሶስተኛ፣ በሰዓት ስንት ሰከንዶች አሉ? ሐመሩሃ 3600 ሰከንድ። አራተኛ፣ የዓለማችን ረጅም ወንዝ ማን ይባላል? ሀ ናይል ወንዝ። በመጨረሻም አገጭ በእንግሊዘኛ ምን ይባላል?
እስኪ በእንግሊዘኛ መቅረጫ ምን እንደሚባል ታውቃላችሁ?
3, 2, 1
ሻርፕነር። ሻርፕነር። እርሳስስ ምን ይባላል? ፔንስል። እስክሪብቶ ፔን ነው። እሺ ማስመሪያስ ምን እንለዋለን? ሩለር። ሩለር። ላጲስ ደግሞ ለእናንተ ትቼዋለሁ። ማን ነው ኮመንት ላይ ላጲስ በእንግሊዘኛ ምን እንደሚባል የሚነግረን?
What is the largest state in the U.S.? Answer C, Alaska. Which U.S. state has the largest population? Answer A, California. In what year did America gain freedom from the British Empire? Answer B, 1776. What is the name of the treaty between England and America that ended the American Revolutionary War? Answer A, Treaty of Paris. What was the first university in America? Answer A, Harvard University. Which president is on the $1 bill? Answer C, George Washington.
Here are 10 trick questions for you. Think fast and don't overthink it. Let's go. Number 1. Which is heavier, A pound of feathers or a pound of bricks? Neither, they both weigh a pound. How many months have 28 days? All of them. If you're running a race and you pass the person in second place, what place are you in? Second place. Are you 3 for 3 so far? Remember, don't overthink it. What can you hold in your left hand, but not in your right? Your right hand. If a red house is made of red bricks and a blue house is made of blue bricks, what is a greenhouse made of? Glass. Which word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary?